Hey yo, it's Chris O. I'm about to start grouting up another bathroom. It's I roughly do one a week, a bathroom a week. I'm going to be doing this one. Today's Thursday. I'll have tomorrow off. I might just leave the silicone till tomorrow. Do that in the morning, a couple of hours. I'll do the silicone. Then I'll take the rest of Friday off. And then I'll take Monday off. Why? Because I can. That's the beauty of sort of having your own business and no employees. I can take a day off anytime I want. But the owner is sheeting this at the moment. So this bathroom I start on Tuesday. I'll screed it. This toilet I'm going to screed to bring it up to the same height. They're not touching the laundry floor, so the whole three of them will be sloping up. So that's all cool. I'll start that Tuesday. Right now though, I'm doing this grout. So we'll mix up a bit. There's about 10 ml of water. I'll put a bit more in. I always overbuy my white grout and that sort of thing because I always use it. I don't buy it in big quantities though. Always in a what's that, 5 kg amount all the time. If you buy too much, it just gets wasted. It's a shiny tile, nice shiny white. Of course, I always stick to tradition and I get a new float every time. Or most of the time, I do a new bathroom. I don't have to, but I do. Because half the time now, I'm telling you something, half the time is because I always leave it in the bucket of grout and it's knackered. I always forget to wash it. Well, a lot of times I do. So we'll just give this a quick mix up. Toothpaste consistency. I haven't jacked up my water yet, which I will do in a minute. check it for any glue in your joins. I wondered why they lowered the ceiling, because termites were in this house and they have put in another rafter under the existing, so that's why they've lowered the ceiling. But yeah, apparently I was talking to a bloke the other day, and termites know, they have enough brains to only eat enough that the place doesn't collapse. Like, they're real clever, and I believe that. They sense when a building will collapse, so they'll move and start eating somewhere else. That's why they never touch the roof rafters, because it'd all collapse. Incredible. And I believe that, actually, I do. Because things sag when there's termites, but it doesn't, the whole building doesn't collapse, because they know to move on and start eating somewhere else. So that's a little bit of trivia for you people, whether it's bullshit or fact. I believe it. A smooth tile is always easy peasy to, you know, grout, wipe off. I'm not going to super rush it and try and do the silicone today as well. I'll let everything dry. This place is only a 20-minute drive from my place, which is cool. Instead of waiting in the parking lot up the highway, I'm over the traffic. This is a nice close job. All the time I'm pushing it in. Well, that's a big grout line. Nah, it all gets covered. The vanity, it's the vanity goes to the floor, so it's got a back to it. So when you have that situation, you can be a little bit rough in your cutting, because it all covers. When you drill these holes, you make it nice, but you don't have to worry about that sort of thing. DIYs. The vanity is actually even coming out to this timber architrave. I've got to put another tile in there yet. Push it in and you're laughing. This is having cornice. I don't know what size, I haven't asked, but it might even cover that tile. Don't know. Have a quick look around, see what you've missed. Pick it up. Okay, I'll get some water. I'll wipe that off, and then on to the next wall. Cool. Then I'll mix up some grout for this one. Something about that tile, it's pretty cool. This has come out nice too, people. It's come out real nice. I've got a little bit of slope. You can just see it at the end there. A little bit of slope. The water will run off nicely. Right, that's enough of me gas bagging. I'll go and get some water and we'll be on to the next. See you soon, DIYs, professionals and couch watchers. See ya, bye.